Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my second update for hashtag partnersincream 2021. This project is all about cream products. The creators Steph and DaLin are going to be both in the description box. Please go ahead and check out the description box for the link to their channels. And now before we get into this update, if you enjoyed this video while you're watching it, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and let's go ahead and get into it. I do have some exciting updates. I met my goal on one item, but I'm really close on two other items, so I am going to be rolling in 3 products today. Let's do it. The first one that I did meet my goal, and last update I did tell you as soon as I meet my goal, I'm going to go ahead and declutter this. I was just holding on to it until I filmed this update. I met my goal in the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow, and the shade is Bow Down. It's a beautiful purple, but it's so dried up. Like every time I have to use it, or I would like to use it, I have to use DuraLine. It's just so dry. Like I'm really pushing in there to actually get some color, but the whole thing just moves. I am gonna go ahead and declutter this guy. It's not the same anymore. Okay, it's just lackluster. Anyway, it's too crumbly, it's too dry. I feel like I got my money's worth, so this guy is gotta go. I'm gonna go ahead and declutter it. And then I'll show you what I'm rolling in a little bit. We'll just go through all the products first, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna roll in. The second item that I have in the project is another cream shadow, and this is by Kaja. This is one of the moon crystals, and this is in the shade Magic. So pretty. I am wearing it today. My goal was to use this guy 5 times. I've used it 2 times already. Oops, and I dropped it. So it's still gonna go. I'm not gonna roll in anything in its place until I actually use it. Item number 3 is by Fenty Beauty, and this is the Cheek Out, the cream bronzer, and this is in the shade Macchiato. I've made a really nice dent in here. My goal for this item is to use it 10 times. I am at 9 times. Only one more use, and then I would have met my goal. So I am going to roll in another product in its place today, because I know I'm going to need to use it, The fourth item I have is by Nars, and this is the liquid blush, and the shade is Torrid. So beautiful. I absolutely love this color. This it's easy to use. I just pump a little bit either on the back of my hand, or I'll pump it on a mixing palette kind of thing, and then I'll pick it up with a brush, and then I apply it to my cheeks. It's really, really pretty. My goal was to use it 10 times. I'm at 8 times. 2 more uses. I think I am gonna roll in another product in its place today, just because I think I'm gonna meet my goal before the next update. The fifth item is by Becca Cosmetics, and this is the Under Eye Brightening Corrector. My goal was to use this one 20 times. I've used it 15 times already. I'm definitely getting some use out of this guy. Now that Becca is gonna be basically no longer in business, I don't know if I want to pick up a backup of this guy, because I actually really, really like it. But I do have some other under eye correctors that maybe I should use before I jump the gun and buy a backup, but I think it's gonna be I either get it now or it's gonna be gone. So I don't know. I have 5 more uses of this one. Again, I'm not gonna roll anything in its place until I meet my goal. If I happen to meet my goal of 5 more uses before the next update, I'll roll in something else and I'll let you know about it. And then the last item is a lipstick, and this is by Mcgrath Labs, and this is the shade Flesh Fatale. It is a Blitztrance lipstick, so it's very shimmery. I am wearing it today. It is so pretty. I know my colors just kind of don't match. It matched when I was doing my makeup, and then when I was done, I was like, okay. We're just gonna roll with it. I already did it, so here it is. My goal was to use this one 10 times. I've used it 7 times already, so I need 3 more uses. It's not that easy. 3 uses is still kind of a lot, considering that I only wear makeup 2, maximum 3 times a month now. So it's really difficult to get uses out of those guys, and I don't consider like applying it, taking it off and applying a different color a use. A use would be like wearing the same thing all day long. So I'm not rolling in anything in its place. If I use it 3 more times before next update, then I'll roll in something in its place. Now let's talk about the products that I'm gonna roll in. I'm so excited for these. To replace that eyeshadow, the Super Shock Shadow by Colourpop, I am gonna roll in one of these Bobbie Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Sticks, and this is the shade Golden Pink. I've had this guy for a while. I've never used it, but today when I was looking like, what am I gonna put in that guy's place? Here it is over here. I remember, hey, I have one of these and I haven't used it like ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll this guy in its place. I think this is something that maybe I can do like a one shadow look with. Just really simple on the eyes, apply this thing, apply mascara and call it done. Maybe. I do want to use this guy 5 times, and yeah, I haven't used it at all yet, so I'm rolling it today. The second item that I'm gonna roll in is a bronzer stick. This is by Wet n Wild, and this is the makeup stick, and the shade is like the contour, one of those sticks, and this is in the shade Oaks on You. I think this is more of a bronzer for me than like a contour. I am gonna go ahead and swatch it here. Maybe not, I don't know. I'll have to use it. But I don't have that many cream bronzers, but I do want to use all of the cream bronzers that I have in this project. So here it is over here. I remember a lot of people used to just swear by this thing like way few years ago when, you know, cream bronzing was the thing, and then like, you know, contouring and all that. So I don't know, I picked it up. Now when I swatch it and I blend it, I think it kind of looks kind of mustardy. Who knows? I'm gonna have to apply it on my face and see what I think about it, but my goal for this one is just 5 times, not 10 times, just 5 uses. See, I just want to know, do I actually really like it or not? So I do want to try it out, and we'll have to see. 5 uses of this guy. And then the last item I'm gonna roll in is, again, because I think I'm gonna be done with my Nars liquid lip, like I'm gonna meet my goal before the next update. So I am gonna roll in this Fenty Beauty cream blush, and this is in the shade Fenty Glow. This guy is so pretty. This was part of their holiday kit this year. Yeah, I have used it a couple times since I picked it up, and I think this would go, like, it would be easy to use it. Oh, I swatched it right here. I think it would be easy to use it with that cream bronzer. It's not gonna be like the colors are just too far off from each other, because this is more on the bronzy-ish side. Like, you can tell it's more bronzy-ish. So here it is again over here, but it's really, really pretty. It's really easy to use with either like my finger, dab it onto my cheeks, or just use it with a sponge. And then my goal for this guy is to use it 5 times, not 10, 5. This is it. This is my update for #PartnersInCream 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.